important, how best we can do the patient. That's some of our philosophies in our organization, and with that motive only we built global hospitals. And I'm very happy to fail, and Professor Ratnakar have organized this meeting here today with all of you here. And I totally agree what Professor Ratnakar said. It's very important that individual integrity and honesty is very important. We are dealing with human lives in healthcare. We can't afford to do anything less than the best to our patients. And even in research, I think it's very important that we take every possible precautions and had completely ethical way of doing research is very important in this day and age. And we see a lot of negative publicities, but research is very essential. Otherwise, we won't progress. And unless we do clinical trials and clinical research, we can't get the new molecules into the treatment of patients. And I think in India, especially in this time of in this time, we see a lot of negative attitude from the government and everybody, knee-jerk reactions rather than creating a proper system and accountability in the organizations as well as in the government, rather than just take a knee-jerk reaction if somebody does, some black sheep does something and then close everything. And I think I feel very sad about these things. At least, this forum, we need to propagate that this is very important. Otherwise, we will not progress. Future is research. Otherwise, there is no progress in medical sciences. We can't improve life, quality of life, improve the longevity of life. We can't treat the diseases, cure the patients. All this depends on the research, and I strongly believe that institutions should take it up very seriously and also very ethically in creating a transparent way of doing these things, and then the whole thing falls into place. And I sincerely hope this gathering will do all that to educate the people and also bring about change in perception of our country and research in our country to the next level, internationally acceptable levels. And I sincerely request all of you, and I think it's the future of our country as well as the future of our people, that we all do a right kind of research and ethical way, and take this forward. And this country has a huge opportunity to provide a base for the research for the rest of the world. We have a major thing is our population itself our great advantage today, and we have a disease spectrum. If you take oncology, tumor biology is different in every country. There's so many things needs to be done. And it can't be what produced in America can't be just imported and we do it. And there's a lot more research needs to happen in our own country. And I strongly feel that we will all take it forward, and hopefully our country emerges as one of the major research country, because we have youngsters, very bright, very aggressive, younger generation, highly educated, with a lot of fire in the belly. And as I see, in the next couple of decades, probably the whole world needs to look at India for intellectual, knowledge-based anything, whether it is profession or service or industry, knowledge-based funds. This country will provide a major workforce for the world. And again, everything has to happen with research.